It's current date, and we've got an exciting update for you. Welcome to another groundbreaking video on IPTV. Today, we are focusing on setting up IPTV on your very own Amazon Firestick. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and visit our incredible IPTV provider, 2tv.store, for the best streaming experience. Let's quickly dive into transforming your Firestick into an entertainment powerhouse. First, ensure your Firestick is connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen, find the search bar, type in and download Downloader. Once installed, open the app and allow any necessary permissions. Enter the IPTV URL link provided by your service, like the incredible offerings at 2tv.store. Download the IPTV app and install it on your Firestick. Now you have unlimited access to a world of channels and shows. To keep enjoying amazing content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and visit 2tv.store, the best IPTV provider out there. Let's tune in and transform your viewing experience today.